Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I came back with another crypto related video. So I hope you will stay with me and keep watching how to join this and how to earn from this site. But today I this site in previously video make this previously video, but today this site only for review payment proof. So this is the old mining site. Now before I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Crypto and Travel News. It has two parts. One part crypto related video related uploaded in this site, and other option travel related video uploaded in this site. So I have information to you. I have a Telegram group whose name is BTCS Satoshi Gift Card Exchange. If you code mining or use this app, you can increase your hash bar. Now please join this Telegram group. You can share your hash card and also gift card and increase your core mining hash bar. So otherwise you can also collect your essential hash card from my টেলিগ্রাম গ্রুপ। আমার টেলিগ্রাম গ্রুপটার নামটা হচ্ছে বিটিএস সাতোশি গিফট কার্ড এক্সচেঞ্জ। সো আপনি যদি আপনার কোর মাইনিং হ্যাশ পাওয়ার বাড়াতে চান, তাহলে আপনারা এখানে কার্ড শেয়ার করতে পারেন বা কার্ডগুলো কালেক্ট করতে পারেন, যেটা আপনার প্রয়োজনীয়, এবং গিফট কার্ডগুলো আপনারা এখানে শেয়ার করতে পারেন, no restriction. So আবারও বলছি, মাই টেলিগ্রাম গ্রুপ নেম ইজ বিটিএস সাতোশি গিফট কার্ড এক্সচেঞ্জ। সো I please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and you will receive all notifications very fastly. Now I go to my main topic. Here is a WinsDX doggy chain site. Previously I was made this video, but today I want to show you this site payment proof. If the payment proof, I also request you very first join this site. So may withdraw limit 10 doggy. So I can now show you and also how to withdraw from this site. Okay, now here is your wallet address, Dogecoin. You need to Dogecoin wallet address. Okay, and also how many Dogecoin you withdraw from this site. So আপনারা আপনাদের এখানে Dogecoin অ্যাড্রেস দিন এবং এখান থেকে কতগুলো Dogecoin উঠাবেন সেটা আপনারা এখানে লিখুন। So now I collect my Dogecoin wallet address from my wallet address. Okay, now I go to my wallet. So now I collect from my wallet address. Now I paste here. আপনারা এখানে পেস্ট করুন আপনাদের Dogecoin অ্যাড্রেসটা এবং অ্যামাউন্টটা এখানে পেস্ট করুন। আমার অ্যামাউন্ট হচ্ছে, আমি এখান থেকে $10 তুলব। তা আমি $10 না, আমি 12 ডগি কয়েন তুলব। নাও আই withdraw 12 doggy from this site. Okay, now press this option. Okay, I want to prove you it's payment or not payment to me. Okay, now আপনারা এখানে প্রেস করেন। ওকে, বিসমিল্লাহ। Okay, to withdraw invest at least 30 doggy. So if you 30 doggy invest this site, you will withdraw from this site. So it must be invest now. If you do not invest it the site, you cannot withdraw from this site. Here is other option I want to show you. Okay, to show you this site payment proof. If payment proof, if deposit, you can payment proof. Okay, now press this option. To withdraw invest at least 30 dollars. So if you cannot deposit in 30 doggy, you cannot withdraw from this. Your affiliate member is deposit 30 doggy, then you cannot withdraw, because you must be deposit this site, otherwise you cannot withdraw from this site. So this site not payment without invested. So if you deposit this site is your own risk. Okay, আপনারা যদি এখানে ডিপোজিট করেন সেটা আপনার নিজস্ব দায় দায়িত্বে আপনারা করবেন। Okay, so no more today, and please stay with me, and this site also review it, so I also review it now. So pray for me and stay with me and keep mining, and if you stay with me, you get give to really information from my site. So take care yourself, pray for me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.